We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.